Hi, it's me Tech Gurji, and this video regard of what what type of bank account and how you can open it. Okay, there are two kind of bank accounts. First one is saving account. Second one is current account. Okay, saving account is for individual people like us, normal people, and current account is for business only. What is the difference? I'm gonna say that. Okay, saving account offer you interest rate on your saving. Okay, which means let's say you put 100 rupees there, and if they offer 7% interest rate, or let's say around 4% on normal saving rate, then will be 4 rupees. So you gonna get 4 rupees back on giving 100 rupees or putting 100 rupees in their saving account. Okay, so 4% back. While in current account they don't offer any interest rate. Okay, it's zero. So if you put 100 rupees there, you will get zero amount on the interest rate. That is current account for you. So you can think why anybody go for current account. Actually, the business must have to open a current account because the business had to do a lot of transactions and there is no saving much in. They don't offer any interest rate on current account until they open fixed deposit. Fixed deposit another stuff. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what is the fixed deposit. Now the saving account benefit. Saving account is for individual like us, normal people, student, housewife, elderly people, etc. And we can put our money there. We can save it. Our normal we get interest from 2% to 4%. Some private bank offering now 6-7% interest rate, but this is nothing but a marketing game, so don't go for it. Now another thing, you get a saving accounts slip where there's a mention about what is your current we call the passbook, simply passbook. Second thing, you get a debit card. If you apply for debit card, you get debit card. There are many kind of debit card like rupee cards, Visa card, or Mastercard. If you are opening in, let's say, government bank, the government mostly offer rupee card. Okay, and there is charge like 100 to 300 rupees per annual on debit card. Okay, fixed charge. Now you also get a checkbook. You apply for checkbook, you get checkbook around 5 to I think 25 free check free on per annual. Okay, that you get all the stuff, and you can do online transaction like NEFT and RTGS, and also you can do now we use app. Okay, via beam, so normal transaction happen through this beam transaction system, which is almost free for until 10,000 per day. Okay, so that is stuff you get in saving account. There are many types of saving account. Premium saving account which offered by the different bank, remember that. But and yeah, don't forget there is minimum balance, so called. So if you open, let's say, in Bank of Baroda, which offer you saving account, normal saving account, then you have to maintain 1,000 rupees per monthly. Okay, yeah, if you go for premium, then it is 5,000, 10,000, or 50,000, 1 lakh rupees per month to must maintain, or there will be penalty charge on it. Okay, now we come to the current account. The current accounts normally owned and maintained by businesses. Let's say your shop businesses, your private limited company, etc. want to open the account, the account will be open on current account. You're gonna get simply as a check. There will be no slip, but you're gonna get monthly statement, printed statement or online statement. You're gonna get debit card if you request. You can apply for debit card, and there will be no interest rate. Okay, there will be zero interest rate. Yeah, you can open a fixed deposit. What is fixed deposit? A fixed deposit is where you put, let's say, 1 lakh rupees for next 1 year or 2 year or 3 year or 5 year. In exchange you get 7% annual interest rate plus. Okay, so bank will give you 7 plus interest rate on the fixed deposit. This deposit cannot be destroyed or opened. It will be fixed amount. You put 1 lakh rupees away in a locker on a bank. Okay, that is a fixed deposit. So saving account owner and current account owner both can open a fixed deposit in a bank. So normally, if you are a regular person, then you can open a saving account, and I will recommend Bank of Baroda first number. In private, HDFC, but HDFC have to maintain at least 10,000, and there are a lot of hidden charges. So first go for Bank of Baroda if available branches near you. Okay. Now, if you're current account holder, I will also recommend the Bank of Baroda. But if you want to go for private, then you can use HDFC Bank. Okay, or you can open both account, depending upon your financial conditions. So that was the type of the accounts. Now, what document you can use for saving account? Simple: PAN card, Aadhaar card, and photo. Let's say you want to use different address, then either you are a property owner or you are living with your family, then property document plus your current month electricity bill and your ration card. If you are rented one, use the current month electricity bill and the rent agreement. That will be fine. And you can use either a passport or etc. The PAN card and Aadhaar card necessary. Now for the current account same, you need a business ownership document like Udyog Aadhaar card, CIN, etc. You need owner's PAN card, Aadhaar card, photo, sign, business stamp, and if you own the property, then property rights document, or you would need a rent agreement. Okay, that document required for opening current account. And if you have GST, then apply GST document also. That was document necessary. Okay, so now I explain you what is the saving account, current account, what document necessary. If you want to know more, you can view our videos. Please like, share, and subscribe at Tech Guruji. Please visit techguruji.com where you can see a tech news, and please visit a1.co where you can buy e-commerce handicraft products from us, all of made in India. Thank you.